Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Cathedral Window Jelly. Yes, that's right. So if you're looking for a delicious, less expensive dessert that you can prepare for your family, this recipe is for you. And before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to Mr. Hat Gulaman for sending me all these different flavors and colors of their Mr. Hat Gulaman products. And for this recipe, we will be using their color yellow, red, green, and of course, white. Alright, so I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Here are the ingredients that you need. Mr. Hat Gulaman, condensed milk, and all-purpose cream. hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. And for any comments, suggestions, or any recommendation, just leave a comment below and I'd be happy to check them out. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And if you wanted to check out Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will also add their link on the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.